I'm now 100% done with my exterior insulation, and I've finished the furring and ventilation strips on the southwest and north wall, except for the top of the gable. The east wall still doesn't have any furring strips, but it does have the some of the ventilation strips. So for the three walls, I'm nearly ready to install the siding. The only thing I need to deal with is where I've put in penetrations. I need to flush them off with the furring because, well, some of the penetrations will not be exposed until I need them later. Some of the penetrations I need to do some detailing around, but I made a lot of good progress this week, and it almost looks like the board and batten. So you can see at the top of the gable where I'm going to wait to finish that when I get a boom lift. But I finished a strip of exterior insulation all around the bottom. I added the penetrations that I wanted, and have been putting up a lot of furring strips. So I'm installing the bottom wall flashing, which will seal around the external insulation and the core vent strip at the bottom. I'm sealing this to the weather barrier with silicone or a sealant, and this is a 2x2 drip edge. I would have liked to have a little bit wider drip edge, but this should be okay. So I'm just documenting the detail at the bottom of the exterior wall. So I have the core vent here, the drip edge here, and the exterior insulation here. So the drip edge comes out and gives space access to the ventilation strip underneath the core vent, and then up above this will be the furring strips to mount the siding to. So I think that looks like a pretty good detail. Wasn't sure whether or not I should spray foam the bottom of this, but I think I'd rather just leave it open so that any moisture that gets in here won't be captured.